All right, welcome on board, everybody. So we're excited to jump into the CIS controls today. CIS stands for the Center for Internet Security Control. It really provides most organizations with a prioritized, actionable roadmap to improve their overall security posture. That's really what it is. It has 18 critical security controls in total. So let me quickly start with you. Let me ask you a question real quick, and feel free to type it. If I ask you how many controls how many critical controls does CIS comprise of? How many would you tell me? Let's start the first quiz. All right, let's see what we got. Awesome. 18. Okay, okay. We are killing it already. Now, that's not going to count, but you're going to say it in a bit. All right, let's get started. Okay, so why does CIS control matter? And overall, it's one of those effective cybersecurity strategy out there in the space of cyber in general. And the reason is because it provides this systematic approach to helping us reduce risk in real time. That's really the whole thing. And it has an evolving threat intelligence mechanism. Now, one thing you remember about most of these frameworks out there is that there's always revision. So you might see every 2, 3 years, they might make some slight changes. It is by design. And the reason they do that is because, let's think for a second. Let me ask you guys a question. Tell me two things that you've noticed have changed dramatically in the last 3 years in terms of cooperation. There are two, three things that we can all agree has kind of shifted the whole world, really. Thank you, Max. Love it. Isbon, thank you, Chris. Awesome. Absolutely, we can agree with that. AI has been one of our biggest changing factor. Let's face it, all of us are afraid. Am I going to lose my job? There are AI agents everywhere. Tell me another thing that kind of changed the whole landscape of working. I like that. Privacy, risk management, migration to the cloud. Cloud also is a big one. People are talking about cloud all the time now. Everybody's migration towards the cloud. AI is a big concern. Tell me one more thing. I love that. Max, you're the man. Max is awesome. Work from home, remote workforce. So it means right now, the whole world right now, we have to make provision to say, what is our strategy to mitigate the risk of working from home? Yes, COVID came, it became mainstream, fine. But after that, also, a lot of people started saying, okay, fine, COVID came, we are used to working from home. Can we make it hybrid? Okay, we have to keep all the commercial real estate still working. Fine. But there's still element now, especially with our new generation, Gen Z, Gen X, right? They are more, they want flexibility. And they should, because this is their generation that witnessed one of the worst crises in our history, right? COVID. This is a generation of young folks that had to figure and adjust for 4 years, something that none of us had ever experienced, right? So I can understand that. So they got used to that process. So their perspective is different. So you, as a leader, in leadership, whatever angle, most people are making provision to accommodate that because they're going to be the workforce of tomorrow. So you might be sentimental and say, well, but the truth is that you got to make provision for this younger generation, right? And because they're going to be the workforce of tomorrow, so you got to make effective solutions. So remote work or work from home has become part of our lives now. It's not going to be totally dismissed. Even with the hybrid model, there will always be element of work from home. That's what I believe. And of course, with the CIS control, it helps us to reduce cyber risk because it will have covered most of those areas of concern. It helps us to be in compliance with the regulators out there. It helps us to continuously address emerging threats, different attack vectors all over the world. So if AI is a new threat, work from home is a new threat. Another big threat we almost forgot to mention, was the supply chain threat. Now, somebody's asking me, what the heck is the supply chain threat? Let's think for a second. When COVID hit, one of the biggest issues most of my big clients had was supply chain threat. Top on the list was a lot of newer version of servers, infrastructure could not be bought, or they were ordered but they could not get it supply. The challenge is, imagine you requesting for newer update of certain infrastructure because of security enhancement that was made. Now, your old system or legacy system is going to be vulnerable because it's not designed for certain threats, right? So you can imagine the kind of potential risk that brings to an organization. Another thing around supply chain, let's think for a second. If you all remember I think last year, let me ask you, can you all tell me one of the most significant supply chain issue we noticed last year? Let me give you a clue. There was a state and a guerrilla group. The state over time implanted chips into walkie-talkies of the supply chain of this guerrilla group, right? And over time, there was crisis between both. And suddenly you started seeing explosives, which was installed in these chips. This has been done months way ahead. Nobody knew, right? So everybody was afraid, oh my God, I don't want to use my laptop because it's probably infected with some of these devices, right? So the question is, if that could happen to a group, what stop it from happening at the state level though? Let's think for a second. Because it means, are you sure the computer you're using right now is not already reconfigured to be a potential threat to you if there was crisis? None of us know, right? But that's the power of supply chain risk also. Because even to the manufacturer level, for those of us in DoD work in the past or any kind of critical infrastructure, these are things we have to think about as part of our thought process because any one of those devices can be compromised, so it's a big deal and a big risk. Then also, CIS provide clear, actionable guidance. Today, you'll be surprised you guys are going to work on reports. You're going to use amazing tools, AI, assessment tools, so a lot of fun stuff. So you see it in a bit, okay? All right, let's move on. First quiz, let's go. What is the main goal of the CIS control? What is the main goal? At the end of the day, what's the main goal of the CIS control? If you are just joining, welcome. If you don't mind, just log on to the use your code to log on to this pin real quick. You can see here 623817. Feel free to join us. Excellent, excellent, excellent. All right, reduce cyber risk. Thank you. Wow. Oh boy, this is awesome. You guys all got it. Okay. All right, let's keep moving. Awesome. Another one. True or false? CIA controls are static and never change. They are always there. It's been the same way for the last 20 years. It doesn't change. That's what you think. If you're just joining, feel free to. Excellent. All right. Another question. CIS controls are only for large organizations. They are designed for just the large organization only. Excellent, false. Okay. So we have a leader right now. Okay. Yak is really whooping us, followed by Jules, then Topia. Let's go. All right, cool. Now it's always fun to see this, the way this is going to be changing. So even though Yak is leading right now, don't be fooled. I won't be surprised if Yak, I'm not jinxing you, Jacks. I hope you win, but the leaderboard changes all the time. All right, let's go. Okay, cool, cool, cool. Thank you, Yak, Jules, Topia. Awesome, awesome. Let's keep moving. All right, history and evolution of CIS. Like I mentioned before, most of these controls always change. As there's an enhancement, they make changes. So they started 2008. That's almost how many years ago now? 17 years ago. You can imagine. 2015, there was the adoption. 1819, there was version 7, 2021, version 8 plus. So you can see there's always going to be enhancement as part of the process in general. Started in 2008, okay? All right, quiz, quick one. What year was the first CIS control first created? What year was it first created? I'm such a nice examiner. I'll give you the answer and hopefully you are paying attention. Excellent. Oh, it. Oh, it. That's right. That's right.